Farm animals. Many animals live on the farm. The cow and her calf live in the barn. The horse and the colt live in the stable. Mama hen and her chick live in a house called a coop. Mama duck and the ducklings live near the pond. They love to splash and swim. This home is called a sty. All the pigs and their piglets love to eat the corn that grows nearby. The geese and the swans are birds that live mostly on the water. They share the little lake that's on the farm. The rabbit hutch is the bunny's home. It's where they keep their carrots. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.